FSC Biology Chapter 8. The best lines summarized for the preparation of PPSC lecturer and subject specialist biology and zoology. In this lecture, we shall discuss these 10 major topics from introduction to fungi up to commercial importance of fungi. One more time, it is humble request that don't be a parasite, rather watch videos online because it encourages, it motivates us to work even more hard to provide best possible content to you. Thanks. Let's start. Introduction. Mycology is the study of fungi, while those who study it are mycologists. Fungi resemble plants in having cell wall, being non-motile, and lack centrioles like higher plants. Fungi resemble animals, being heterotroph, lack cellulose, have chitin in cell wall, which is same as in arthropod skeleton. So that's the resemblance. Fungi differ from animals in having cell wall, being non-motile, and absorptive mode of nutrition. Further, fungi undergo nuclear mitosis, in which nuclear membrane do not break and spindles are formed inside the nucleus which separate the chromosomes. On the basis of these characteristics or salient features, fungi is placed in a separate kingdom and is separated from plants and animals. The body of fungus or fungi. Fungus body is called mycelium, which is made of hyphae. Chitin is more resistant than cellulose and lignin to environmental conditions as well as digestion. Septate hyphae are those which are divided by cross walls, while non-septate are not divided by cross walls. Non-septate hyphae are elongated, multinucleated large cells. They are called as cenocytic hyphae. So, non-septate hyphae are cenocytic. In cenocytic hyphae, cytoplasm moves to distribute materials. That is unique feature of hyphae. Septate hyphae have pores through which cytoplasm move cell to cell to distribute food or other nutrients if they are required. Hyphae can pack with each other to form mushrooms, puffballs and morels. So in morels or mushrooms, hyphae are present but they are packed into each other to form the structures. Yeast is non-hyphal unicellular fungi. Yeast do not have hyphae. Hyphae are haploid except some transient diploid zygotes. Now, the growth rate of fungi is so rapid that in one day it can grow up to 1 kilometer. For example, Armillaria is a pathogenic fungus which is measured up to 15 hectares area. So, the largest organism on the earth is fungi with respect to this feature. Nutrition. Fungi are absorptive heterotrophs. They secrete enzymes. Those enzymes digest the food outside the body, and that digested food is directly absorbed in the fungi. That's why they are absorptive heterotrophs. Most are saprobes. The word saprobe is important for you to remember. Saprobes or saprophytes are decomposers and secrete digestive enzymes. Rhizides, like roots, provide anchoring in the substrate. Fungi decompose cellulose and lignin, and even it can decompose chitin, and which bacteria cannot decompose. Haustoria are hyphal tips in parasitic fungi to absorb food from host. Mildews and rust species are obligate parasites that they can only grow on their host and cannot grow elsewhere. Now, Pleurotus ostreatus is omnivorous fungi which paralyze nematodes and eat them. Similarly, this fungi also obtain glucose by breaking the wood. So, it can eat both plants and animals. That's why it is omnivorous. Now, Arthrobatrus trap nematodes by constructing rings, and that's important to remember. Now, the most important part of this lecture are lichens and mycorrhizae. Lichens and mycorrhizae are mutualistic associations or symbiosis. Lichen is association between fungi and green algae or cyanobacterium. In this association, algae is present within the hyphae. Lichens are bioindicators of air pollution. That is important thing to remember, and we shall also repeat it. Soridia are asexual reproductive structures, and that is very important point to remember. Soridia, it is in the diagram. Ramalina is a fruticose lichen which are branched, while Basidia and Lecanor are crustose lichens which grow on rocks, and Parmelia is foliose lichen which are leaf-like. These three types of lichens are very, very important to remember: fruticose, crustose and foliose. Mycorrhizae. Mycorrhizae are association between fungi and roots of vascular plants. Hyphae increase surface area for absorption of phosphorus, zinc and copper by the roots, and plants supply organic carbon to fungi, and that is a mutual relationship. Endomycorrhizae penetrate cells while ectomycorrhizae surround cells and does not penetrate. Now, ectomycorrhizae is seen or is present in some pines and fir plants. Fungi produce resistant spores during unfavorable conditions also. They can tolerate pH changes from 2 to 9 and high osmotic pressures, as well as high range of temperatures from -5 up to 50 degrees centigrade. Fungi store food as lipid droplets or glycogen in mycelium. The word lipid droplet here is important to remember for the storage of food. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction occurs by spores, conidia, fragmentation and budding. Please remember these four names: spores, conidia, fragmentation and budding. Spores are produced in sporangia, which separates from hyphae by septa. So sporangium is separated from other hyphae in the stolon. Spores spread through air due to lightweight and enormous number. Spores are common means of reproduction in fungi, while conidia are non-motile asexual spores produced in conidiophores. Fragmentation is breaking of mycelium, and each fragment can produce new fungi. Budding occurs in yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Sexual reproduction. Fusion of haploid nuclei and meiosis is common in all sexual reproductions. That is the basic characteristics of sexual reproduction. Karyogamy is fusion of nuclei, while plasmogamy is fusion of cytoplasm of hyphae. Hyphae having two different nuclei at a time are dikaryotic or heterokaryotic. In basidiomycetes and ascomycetes, these two names are important to remember. Basidio and asco. Fusion of nuclei does not occur immediately, rather both nuclei coexist most of the time in the same hyphae, and that is the salient feature of these two groups. Basidiospores and ascospores are sexual spores. Classification. Fungi is classified on the basis of sexual reproductive structures and sexual methods. First group, zygomycetes, zygomycota or conjugating fungi. These two paired names are very important for you to remember. Conjugating fungi are zygomycetes. Are named because of zygospores, which are formed by direct fusion of hyphae and are dormant, thick-walled, resistant spores. Fusion occurs between positive and negative strains of hyphae. Germination occurs in zygospores. Meiosis occurs in zygospores to produce haploid spores which grow into hyphae. Hyphae are cenocytic, and examples of this group are Rhizopus or black bread mold. The next group in classification is ascomycetes, ascomycota or sac fungi. Are largest group of fungi, and about 50% of this group are lichens. Haploid sexual spores are ascospores produced by meiosis in asci. Commonly 8 ascospores are produced inside one ascus. Very important thing to remember. These asci are present inside ascocarp, which are fruiting bodies. Hyphae are septate and have lengthy dikaryotic phase. Asexually, they reproduce by conidia. Yeast is ascomycete and reproduced by budding, and sexually by ascospores. That is important thing to remember. Yeast also undergoes sexual reproduction, and that is by ascospores. Yeast ferment carbohydrates into ethanol, which is an alcohol, and carbon dioxide. Now, the third group is basidiomycetes or club fungi, are edible mushrooms as well as pathogens. They are named because of their club-shaped sexual structures, the basidium. They have gills underside of cone of mushroom, while cap is called pileus. Mushrooms are dikaryotic, and that is very important characteristics here to remember. Mushrooms are dikaryotic. Puccinia are rust, which is orange yellow fungi, while Astilago are smut, black dusty fungi. These orange yellow are basically those leaves on which this Puccinia infect, and black dusty are those leaves on which Astilago infect or cause disease. Spores of Astilago triticii are teleospores, which cause loose smut of wheat. Now, teleospores are important here to remember. They penetrate ovaries of wheat flour and become dormant, and when those seeds or grains are again put into the soil, and these fungi then germinate again and destroy them. The fourth and final group is deuteromycetes, deuteromycota, or imperfect fungi. Why they are called imperfect? Because they cannot be clearly classified. No sexual structures are found in deuteromycetes. Penicillium is blue-green mold. Aspergillus is brown mold. Now, penicillium is common on fruit, breads as saprotrophic. Hyphae are septate. It reproduced by naked spores called conidia, and brush-like conidia are only present in penicillium. These four characters are very important about penicillium to remember, please. Most important feature is parasexuality among deuteromycotes, in which portions of chromosomes are exchanged in same hyphae. Chromosome exchange their segments being in the same nuclei or in the same hyphae. Now, importance of fungi. Now your brain and mind and thought and attention should be here on the slides. Penicillium can grow at -5 degrees centigrade to 50 degrees centigrade on oranges and in refrigerators as well. So the food in the refrigerator is not safe from penicillium. 95% of vascular plants have mycorrhizal association. Lichens can break the rocks. That is the strength and beginner of ecological succession on bare lands. Mushrooms, morels and truffles are edible fungi. Toadstools, remember the name, toadstools are poisonous mushrooms like for example Amanita and Jacolatum. Amanita is famous death angel. So the famous death angel is Amanita. Reindeer moss is a lichen, not a moss plant. It's a fungi. Penicillium species give flavor, aroma and color to cheese. These features are important because you may remember that penicillium only provides penicillin antibiotic. No, it also is being used for flavor, aroma and color. Aspergillus is used for fermenting soy sauce and produce citric acid as well. First antibiotic was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928 from Penicillium of fungi. The name was penicillin. Levastatin is another drug used for lowering blood cholesterol, and cyclosporins are used to prevent transplant rejection. Aragotine is used to relieve migraine or headaches, and grisfulvin is used to inhibit fungi growth. These four are drugs which are obtained from different fungi, and their functions are important for you to remember. Now dyes are obtained from lichens for textile industry. Yeast was the first eukaryote used for genetic engineering. Yolks, yeast artificial chromosomes, were made in yeast cells for cloning, and they have changed the process of cloning in being they are able to replicate large fragments of DNA. Genome of yeast was completely sequenced in 1996. Very important fact to remember. Neurospora is a pink bread mold. Neurospora, pink bread mold, used for genetic research as well. Powdery mildews is a disease of grapes, rose and wheat. So the grape disease is powdery mildew. Brown rot is disease of peaches, plums, apricot and cherries. These names are important to remember because they did not reflect the host on which they affect. Other diseases have names of their host in them. That's why they are easy to remember. Ringworm and athlete's foot is caused by imperfect fungi. Candida albicans is a yeast which cause candidiasis, or which is an oral or vaginal thrush or infection. Histoplasmosis is lung infection transmitted by birds' feces, and that is also caused by a fungi. Aspergillus fumigatus. Now the fumigatus species is important here to remember. Aspergillus is common genus. Fumigatus is a species that cause aspergillosis, which is serious in immune deficient persons or patients. Aflatoxins are carcinogenic, produced by aspergillus. Carcinogenic are those which cause cancer. Now, ergotism is caused by purple ergot contaminated rye flour, which result in nervous spasm, convulsion, psychotic delusion and gangrene at the end. So, Astilagu maydus. Now, maydus here is very important to remember. Astilagu is a general name, generic name, sorry. Maydus is a specific name and it is important. Maydus cause sweet corn smut. Sweet corn smut. And that's it for this chapter. Inshallah, upcoming video is of chapter 9 first half, because that is a long chapter and we cannot stay very long on the video. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.